Bakit ba number 1 at trending tong Mitsubishi Triton in the pickup truck category right now? For Mitsubishi Triton right now here at the showroom. I will demonstrate it to you what's the total specification of this Triton, Mitsubishi Triton. This Mitsubishi Triton has an aggressive front fascia like you see here, guys. Sobrang aggressive and sobrang brusco nitong Mitsubishi Triton. Then if you try to look with this exterior, pansinin nyo mismong headlight niya, naka-quad LED na siya technically. Yan. And then, like you see, meron na rin tong daylight running lamp. Then, together with, like I said, the aggressive front fascia of this Mitsubishi Triton. It's more and fastest top design, longer overall length, and a wider stance with exude dominating presence on the road. Like you see, sobrang dominate niya ang truck category right now. Then, if you try to look, I will show you what is inside the bay of this Mitsubishi Triton right now. Guys, mag-ready na kayo. Makikita nyo kung ano ang pagkakaiba at kung bakit tinodominate ng Mitsubishi Triton ng pickup truck category right now. This Mitsubishi Triton has a 2.4 by turbo engine that can create 204 horsepower. And then, like you see here, wala akong masabi. Talagang ang ganda ng technology ng Mitsubishi Triton, then most likely it can create a 204 horsepower. Hindi biro yun, guys. Pansinin mo, guys, pakita ko sa inyo itong bi-turbo. Ayan, sobrang laki ng bi-turbo niya, guys. Kaya nakikreate ni Mitsubishi Triton yung 204 horsepower just because of this bi-turbo technology. Then, this has also a Calsonic technology in terms of aircon ventilation system, kaya sobrang lamig. At the same time, this is a 4x4, guys. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo with the exterior. Doon tayo sa loob mamaya. Then, this is the technology of the pickup category. And this will be, kumbaga, one of the superior engine in the market in terms of the pickup truck category. Okay? This has an R18, 18-inch magnesium alloy wheel, or what we call this possible. Itong mags natin was a monotone, black, glossy accent itong mismong paint na ginamit. Then if you try to look, guys, sobrang ganda ng exterior nitong Triton natin. Then, like you see here, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung signature tail lamp niya. This is a T-shape rear combination light signal to others driver na makikita natin napaka-significant itong T-shape design ng mismong taillight ng Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. Then if you try to look, sobrang ganda ng mismong cargo spacing. In terms of spacious cargo, ang pinaka-declaration natin for this Mitsubishi Triton. And then the suspension, sobrang ganda, sobrang panalo. And then it can carry approximately 1 tonner or possible, eksaktong 1 tonner ng capacity of load for this Mitsubishi Triton. Sobrang ganda kasi ng suspension natin. Then if you try to look, come here. This has also a backing camera na nakalagay dito sa mismong handle niya for the visibility of the driver during the reverse mode. Pag umaatras para safe na safe yung mismong driver during the reverse mode. Then, this Atis also has, meron na rin siyang bull bar. Like you see here, meron na siyang bull bar na kung saan na may Mitsubishi design for the 4x4 top of the line Athlete, itong mismong design ng mismong ano natin, handlebar natin or mismong truck space dun sa likod ng mismong accessories natin, okay? Then, you try to look also, meron na rin tayong stepboard ang Triton natin. The good thing about this Mitsubishi Triton, it has also a keyless entry for the passenger. Hindi lang dun sa driver. Kasi before, puro driver lang. Pero just because nag-evolve ang technology at Mitsubishi is also concerned about the passenger, nilagyan na rin nila ng button itong mismong passenger side ng mismong handle or door handle ng mismong Triton natin. And together with, like you see here, this is one of the unique dito sa mismong Triton natin. Kasi meron naman siyang daylight running lamp at together with yung mismong side mirror natin is merong mga legendary design or sinasabi natin signature design for the aerodynamics. For the air to have a smooth flow during the driving. See here, I will show you the interior of this Mitsubishi Triton. Right now, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung technology na meron ng Triton. Bakit ba pinag-uusapan si Triton? Right now, if you try to look, sobrang ganda ng steering wheel ng Mitsubishi Triton natin. We have the 3-spoke, leather wrap, together with a lot of console configuration ng mismong button para mas convenient at mas maganda yung driving experience na magdadrive ng bagong Mitsubishi Triton. Like you see here, meron na tong cruise control. Ito yung control ng cruise control. Then, you have also control for the mobile phone while you are driving. Pwede nyo nang i-connect. From the head unit going here, may control dito, para hindi na mahirapan or mas naka-focus na lang ang driver sa mismong road. Driving on the road or nakatutok na lang siya sa pagdadrive at naka-focus na lang siya sa mismong road. Okay, then right now, this Mitsubishi Triton has also a diamond piano block finisher at the center console together with the leather wrap nung mismong shifter natin. Then together it also has an SRS airbag guys here at the steering wheel together dito sa side driver o sa passenger seat natin, side passenger seat natin. Then we also have compartment here for what we call this is a cooling compartment para kung may mga juices or salads kayo, chocolates, hindi matunaw or ma-maintain lang yung mismong heat temperature para dun sa mga beverages or sa mga drinks niyo. Then it also has a compartment din. This unit also, like you see here, ito yung isa sa pinagmamalaki ng Triton kasi sobrang ganda at ang daming features ng mismong Mitsubishi Triton natin dahil yung mismong controls natin for ventilation is parang kala mo is a pilot cockpit or parang nasa airplane mode ka or parang nasa cockpit ka ng isang aeroplano. Okay, then this also has orange stitch para doon sa mismong design. Then it also has a lot of cup holder console. Then it also has itong mga handles natin. Ito yung mga what we call this as a safety handle natin para sa driver, passengers, and most likely para hindi magkaroon ng accident. Kumbaga, more on, may mga grips handle tayo rito para at least mas safe at mas madali ang pagpasok or pagbaba sa mismong unit. Ito guys, this Triton also a drive mode for eco mode. And then, ginagamit tong drive mode na to, it's depend on how the driver want to use kung anong mode. If he wanted to have or she wanted to have a power, then she wanted to have or he wanted to have a fuel economy mode na kung saan mas matipid at mas fuel efficient yung mismong driving mode niya. Then technically, this also has an hill descent para most likely meron siyang kusang pag pinindot mo tong mismong technology or specs na to, kusa siyang nagkakaroon ng braking system during the downhill or pagpababa. Because most likely, this technology ginagamit ng mga trucks or this is a high-tech technology na ginagamit ng mga luxury SUV or luxury vehicle, lalong-lalo na ng mga European. Okay? And right now, this knob also, ito yung four-wheel drive engagement natin from two-wheel drive, yung 2H natin to 4H, which is then the 4H LC, then the 4LLC, pag pinush yan, then pag kailangan mong i-push siya para mag 4H LC, ito yung mismong pinaka-top 3 na ginagamit yung 4LLC. Ibig sabihin, sobrang muddy, sobrang talagang kailangan ng malakas na torque para magamit or para maka-surpass dun sa mismong road condition na yun, na which is ginagamit ng mga sport enthusiasts, lalo na yung mga 4x4 off-road adventure na paggagamitan. Then right now guys, I will show you bakit ba sobrang ganda ng comfort nitong Mitsubishi Triton, just because this also has a good riding comfort because of this seat comfort technology. Like you see here, which is a technology na which is can give a comfort, lalong-lalo na ito yon. Ito natin back support para mas maganda yung mismong angle ng technology, especially ito yan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Dito yon. Focus on this area, mami. Dito, like you see here. Ito. Ayan, back support. Kita nyo gumagalaw guys, just to give you a lumbar back support, lalong-lalo na sa mga matatagal or long distance driving or during the traffic. Kasi isa sa mga concerns sa mga driver yan. And Mitsubishi solved that kind of problem para mas mabigyan or concerns about the health of the driver and most likely the user of this Triton. Okay? Then this second row or second row seating configuration, this unit has a 5 seating capacity. It also has the technology of J-Lane design for the comfort. And sobrang ganda pa rin, sobrang luwag, sobrang spacious ng mismong Mitsubishi Triton natin. Okay guys, that is 2024 Mitsubishi Triton. And for me guys, that's just all over a short overall product review, technology specification. And for me, like I said, comfort check, exterior appearance check, engine performance check, durability check. Then most likely the price. If you have more inquiry or more information to know more about this Mitsubishi Triton and what this promo of this Mitsubishi Triton, message me, JDB Vehicle Trading, or message me, the top salesman. I will assist you personally to have your auto loan approval approved in just 3 days only. This is the top salesman. To God be the glory. Mabuhay. God bless you.